YouTube, man. I've heard your cries, you feel me, man. I've heard your boys, man. Your boys want the daily match analysis to return. I'm here to fulfill the deal. So without further ado or wasting your time, if your boys get this video to 100 likes, I'm coming through with tomorrow's 5 teams, you feel me, and I'm gonna do another one, you feel what I'm saying. So as your boys get this video to 100 likes, I'm gonna keep doing this banger match analysis daily. If your boys get this to 200 likes, we're going for 10 odds. And if your boys get this video to 500 likes, we are going for 15 odds, nation. 1,000 likes and we're pulling in 30 odds. I'ma start preparing the ticket as soon as y'all smash the 1k. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, wasting your time, we lead with tomorrow's match analysis. So first of all, tomorrow we actually have real nice games playing. So we're gonna be careful with our match analysis. We're not gonna bet based on emotions or stuff like that, because you know, in the soccer world there's a lot that has been happening. It's getting a bit harder to predict. So I would appreciate if you guys smash that like button to show me support. So we have Sosoli versus Bolgna. I'ma try and keep this as short as I can, your fulmination, man. Thank you guys for getting me to 14k subscribers. I really appreciate your guys' support, and I'ma work hard starting from now. Not 2022, starting from now, I'm working hard to satisfy my fans or homies. You guys are more than friends, your family. Okay, so in the recent games, we've seen Sassuolo perform really well. I ain't finna cap. So, I ain't finna cap, like I said. Sassuolo, man, they might come through with a win, but you know what I'm saying. Nation. Sassuolo or draw, no cap. Because if we go to this game, man, let's quickly see in-depth analysis. This is called in-depth analysis. Oh, yo, that scared me. 30 shots, bro. 8 on target, 2. So I'ma go with based on the match analysis, because we said we're not going based on emotions. I'ma go with Sassuolo or draw, and let's see. Before I make a mistake, like I said, let's go with under 4.5. Sassuolo or draw under 4.5. Yeah, I'm just confirming, verifying the under 4.5. Okay, so it's confirmed. Actually, can we go with over 1.5? Excuse me. Wait, let me see, nation. Okay, so this is 2014, starting from here. So yeah, let's go with over 1.5. Sassuolo or draw over 1.5. Yeah, for me, nation. Up next we have Lazio Rome. Lazio Rome. Disappoint. I'm just playing. Hope everyone saw the UEFA draw. Yo, it's gonna be hard, ne? It's gonna be real hard. Promise you, man. These draws, yeah. Lazio or let's keep Lazio, because they haven't played Venezia in like, I don't know when. Last time they played it was in 2002. So let's keep that. Okay, so Verona and Fiorentina. Excuse my pronunciation. So I have real high hopes for PSG. No, I ain't gonna cap like that. I am a Messi fan. Please don't hate on me, but I love Messi's game. That guy's just brilliant. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't starting no debates on nothing, but we all have our different opinions. So you shouldn't force anybody into your own opinion just because you think something is right. it shouldn't be right, if you follow what I'm saying. But I am a Messi fan. I love that guy's game. Okay, so this is garbage. We're skipping. Wait, let's check bookings. Maybe bookings. You follow what I'm saying. Okay. Let's check this one. Inter Milan. So we should get a bet over here. So we're trying to get the best bet with the highest chance of happening. Because remember, betting is a game of probability. It's not a game of what you think it's gonna happen. It's based off statistics. You know what I'm saying? So this is saying that history repeats itself more than once. You know what I'm saying? Which is why we go into the match analysis and we dig in deep, your filming nation. So Torino or Inter, Torino or Inter Milan. Just see Torino Inter. Let's go with over 1. Torino Inter over 1. We could go with under 4, but I feel like, and let's go with under 4.5. Torino Inter Milan under 4.5. 2-1, 3-1, 1-1, 3-2, 2-0, 1-0. Okay, I take it back. Let's go with over 1. I was right. Remember, my emotions were getting to me there. The odds. You must be careful when you're betting, nation. Don't fall for the odd traps where you see bigger odds and you take the risk, because that's what I've been trying to battle lately. So I ain't gonna allow that to, disturb my betting. Atletico Madrid. Garbage team. I'm just playing. Okay, alright. Atletico or draw. Over 1.5. If they cannot score more than 1 or 2 goals, I am gonna be mad. I am really gonna be mad. Because look at this: 6-1, 2-1, 1-1, 3-0, 2-0, 4-1, 2-2, 7-0. So I'm gonna be really mad if they don't score more than 1 goal. You feel what I'm saying? So next, it's our friends AC Milan. Them boys supposed to be first in the league. I don't know what's going on, man. Yo, them boys supposed to be first. I'm just saying. Milan. I had higher hopes for Milan. I ain't for cap. So, being the guy that I am, Milan or draw, under 4. Milan or draw. Let's see. Let's be rational. 8-1, 2-0, 1-0, 1-0, 2-0. Okay, I feel like this is something. Sometimes it takes a bit longer to load. Let's see their previous matches. You want to see the number of shots on target and stuff like that. Their form, who scored. Okay, so okay, let's go with AC Milan or the other team over 1.5. You feel what I'm saying? I was gonna go with under 4, but it ain't safe. Okay, so solely a draw over 1,5 Inter Milan, Turin over 1, draw Atletico Madrid over 1, Empoli AC Milan over 1,5. So that's 4 teams, 1 more to go, and I think I'm straight gonna go for PSG. No cap. Paris, Saint-Germain, France League, bonjour. Favorite team, most likely to win. Most likely to win the UEFA, man. I'm just saying. Saint-Germain, Paris. You guys be playing well, dog. I'm a good Paris to draw over 1. No cap. No cap, bruh. Draw PSG over 1,5. Actually, let's go with over. Okay, over 1. Maybe over 2. Maybe over 2,5 nation. Let's see bookings. Maybe bookings. Okay, so let's go with over 1. You feel what I'm saying? We're not gonna be greedy. So thank you guys for tuning in for today's video, man. Hopefully we come back with the W. You feel me, G? We gone.